Welcome to Common Carp Hatchery Operation. Alam niyo ba na ang common carp ay pinaka-importanting species sa aquaculture, lalong-lalo na sa Asian and European, kung saan ito ang kanilang pangunahing pinagkakakitaan. In selecting suitable hatchery of common carp, it should be
adequate supply of suitable water. Kinakailangan na ang tubig na gagamitin natin sa hatchery ay maganda, ang kalidad at available ito throughout the year of culturing. Road accessibility. Dapat ay malapit din ito sa daanan kung saan madaling mapuntahan. Availability of electricity. Kailangan din na may electric power para sa aeration that given oxygen for the fish. It is also considered the availability of spawner which are totally matured, healthy and strong, free from disease and parasite.
Hatchery circular spawning pool. Binubuo ito ng circular cement pools na may laki ng 8 meters at 50 cubic meters na kayang mag-hold ng water. Sa bottom part nito ay nilalagyan ng grass mats or kakabans para doon ma-attach ang itlog at madaling kunin.
ang female common carp ay may kakayahang mangitlog ng 3 hanggang 4 na beses kapag maganda at tumutugma ito sa panahon at nakakaproduce ito ng about 300,000 na itlog.
Ito ang inkubeto na kung saan nilalagyan ng mga fertile egg hanggat ito ay ma-hatch at maging larvae. Saka ililipat sa kani-kanilang culture facility.
Economic benefits of common carp. First, it is high demand and marketability. Common carp is widely consumed in many parts of the world, especially in Asia, Europe. This consistent demand makes it a profitable species for aquaculture. Second, cost-effective production. Carp farming generally requires lower investment in terms of feeds and infrastructure compared to other species.